everyone, today I'm doing 2 Dutch braids into some little twists, and I'm starting by parting straight down the middle. As you can see, I lined it up with her nose, and now I'm going in front of the ear and making a line right here towards the top of the head. I'm going to do that on both sides so that they can meet, and then I'll clip everything up and out of my way. Now I'm starting at the front, getting my section, and I'm going to split it into 3 pieces, and I'm going to go under with my right and under with my left. Going under a couple of times, and now I'm picking up hair. With this braid, I'm going to add to each side and then go under my middle strand. So I'm adding hair here and then going under. And as you can see, I'm keeping my fingers kind of closer to the scalp to keep it tight, and I'm pulling the tension towards me. And I'm going to do this all the way to the end of the section and then tie it up with a little elastic. Now I'm just going through and doing everything again on the opposite side. Now I took that 3rd section back here and continued my line all the way down. And now I'm just twisting it into a bun. So I'm twisting it in between my fingers and then just going around with it, just kind of making a swirl. And then I'm just going to tie it up. I'm using a thicker rubber band here because I need it to hold a little better and it's more hair. So that's it. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.